Shet Jewelers and Diamond House. Beyond Limits. Women redefining success.
Namaste, I'm Sarita Santosh and today welcome all our viewers to V4 News and SL Shet Jewelers and Diamond House presents Beyond Limits, Women Redefining Success. So today we have with us a beauty queen. When you look at Harsha, Diagnostic Center founder, Dr. Priyadarshini, you really imagine her to be a winner of a beauty pageant. But along with that, she's also an entrepreneur, a woman of substance, a woman who wants to make women's health priority. Over to you, Dr. Priyadarshini. Welcome to Beyond Limits.
Thank you so much, Sarita,
Yes.
for having me here.
We are very happy to have you here, Dr. Priyadarshini. And as you have mentioned that women's health has to be priority. So Harsha Diagnostic Center, that's how the whole idea took place, right?
Yes.
Yes. So can you tell us more about what are the facilities available at the center?
Yeah. So Harsha Diagnostics, as the name specifies, Harsha, which we all know, happiness.
Correct.
So when it comes to health, we always think health is always, which brings, if health is not proper, we become unhappy. So the people who walk in Harsha, as a patient or as an individual, normal individual, should feel that Harsha has got something which will soothe us, make us, out of pain. With that concept, we started Harsha Diagnostics.
Okay, so we shouldn't be scared of a diagnostic center.
Yes.
Like normally what happens when a disease is, told by the doctor, then we go to a diagnostic center to get all the x-rays done.
Yeah.
But here, Dr. Priyadarshini's motto is, prevention is the best cure.
Yeah, prevention is always better than cure. Why? Because when we, a normal individual, when he's everything is fine, he's fit and everything is okay, and suddenly we have heard, like suddenly there are news like he is like a person or a male or a female getting into massive heart attacks,
Right.
sudden death without any reason.
Correct.
We always feel I am fine, okay, I have a proper food, I go to a proper exercise, I'm fine, fit, everything is good. But actually what is happening inside the body, no one knows.
Correct.
So in that context, Harsha is somewhere we want to bring awareness on health to every individual. Every person in the world should be aware of what is happening inside the body. We have physical health as well as mental health.
Right.
When physical health is good, we are happy. The mental health is already depend on our happiness and how we take the things, maybe
Right.
in the environment of our work, when we are with lot of stress, without knowingly our body gets, affected. In such cases, it is very, very important that each individual has to understand their physical body. So Harsha has got all the awareness packages where it starts from the child to the old age.
Okay.
We have different packages where we have designed the test which they have, which each individual has to go through. Awareness is something which is not there in India. Though we have got a lot of population, I think 20% of people are little bit aware about their health, but rest of that 80%, though you are educated, you think a lot when it comes about health. Okay, especially today, like we are
Right.
celebrating Women's Day. I want to give a very strong message that every woman should prioritize her health. When in a family somebody is not well, we always prioritize, oh okay, mine it's okay, fine, my kids, my husband, my family,
That's
my
right.
parents, they have to be healthy.
Healthy.
Mine, okay, I have some health issues, okay, tomorrow it will go, it's fine for me. That is where we make a biggest mistake, which every woman has to start loving herself. The
Okay.
day she starts loving herself, the society will like you. The family will start accepting you more than what you are. You are an asset of a family.
Right.
You are not someone who is keep on doing, prioritizing things for others.
Right.
Prioritizing yourself is very important in this matter. In this era, we being women, when we are into every field, we also have to love ourselves. That is the most important thing which I wanted to give message at this time, which is very much required.
So Dr. Priyadarshini, I feel that you're so passionate about this profession and in bringing good health to the community, especially to the women community. Especially if you see in India, women are the ones who sacrifice their own health for their family. But today with Dr. Priyadarshini's very strong message that Harsha Diagnostic is here for you to bring you good health. So it's not only when you are diagnosed with something that you need to go for a checkup, it is on a regular basis, just to keep this machinery, which is the human body, in perfect shape. You have to get a health checkup done on a regular basis. So Harsha, what do you suggest for a woman? What is the age group that you get your checkups done regularly?
See, for a female, when a baby is born, girl is born, at the age of 10, we are like, there is no difference between female body and male body. So we consider it's still 10 year, the child is child. Then once they get into the puberty, like the teenage, there is a difference. Kids will feel the difference, what is happening in their body, what are the difference we get in their body. Right. There will be growth of breast, or they get a pubic hair, or so many things they will get. Right. That time the children, the girl child will feel much secure. She will be having a lot of questions in her mind. That even the parents, some are not able to answer them. Educating a girl child in the beginning at the age of, during the teenage is very, very important, which will long last forever. Okay. Throughout, whenever any health issues or whenever the question arises, they will be remembering what you taught during the teenage.
So mother only has to be the counselor, the confidant during the teenage years for a girl child, to understand her own body, to understand how it works, what are the changes which she can expect in her teenage years. And do you have any counseling sessions, like as an outreach program?
Yes, some parents, they come come with the kid, child, and especially during the menstrual cycle, they'll ask few the doubts and all those things. They'll be having a lot of pain during periods and delayed periods.
That's right.
So some of the education has to be given at that age. That is where, when a mother takes care, daughter will definitely look into her.
Yes.
If you don't at home, in a family, when mother herself being very careless, we can't educate our daughter, you have to take care of your health.
Correct.
That is where I think mother has to take a lead of taking herself, saying that, see, indirectly, that you also are very special, a special person in the world. That is what I feel.
And it's just, Harsha Diagnostic is just not a diagnostic center. It's a center run by a woman doctor, and she's a qualified doctor. She's Dr. Priyadarshini. So there is a very qualified hand behind the organization, which makes all of a difference. And together with that, she's a woman. She's a woman with compassion, with lot of care, and her concern is for the community. She's just not running an organization for maybe profit or any of those. That's not priority for her. Her priority is good health accessible to all, and making it a priority. So she has various packages which are from teenagers to the senior citizens, who can come happily without even having any fear in their mind. Just come and meet Dr. Priyadarshini, understand that there are some tests which need to be done on a regular basis, and get the health checkup done. And this health checkup is for your own good. You're not doing it for anybody else. It's just for your own good.
And see, when it comes about health checkups, what happens is we buy expensive cars, we buy expensive mobiles, we go to parlors, we buy saris. When doing health checkup, see, we have to consider our body as a temple. It's whatever you are. Your body is like you're representing to the world. When your body inside is only not proper, and that can be seen through you. When you are sick, it can be visible in your face or the way you carry yourself. So health is the most important thing, as we all know. In spite of that, we are a bit careful.
So what is the age like when a girl or when a lady should or a mother or a lady should go for regular health checkups? A parent, like, you know, a
Okay.
husband and a wife.
Yeah, see, till the age of 30 will
Okay.
be fine. There will not be
Right.
much issues. 30, 35. Then once you cross 35, there will be changes in your body. It's maybe post pregnancy. There will be a lot of hormonal changes. Then gradually, you can start your regular health checkups, and once in a year or once in a month.
Okay.
It's just like a marks card. In the
Once in a
school,
year.
yeah, once in a year, once in
a
6
year.
months you can do.
What are the checkups you need to do, like once you're 40?
Yeah.
What is a mandatory checkup you need to do so that everybody does it?
Yeah.
As a rule, like you have to do these checkups.
See, when, as I've told you, a health checkup card or the file should be like a marks card.
Yeah.
When, you know, when we were studying,
Correct.
we used to compare our marks next year.
Yes, yes.
Today is my cholesterol level is this, lipid profile is this,
Okay.
liver function, SGPT-OT rates are, my sugar level is this. After 6 months, how is my liver is working? How is
Okay.
my pancreas is working? How is my kidneys are? And these are very, very important things to know what is happening.
Okay.
So once you cross 35,
Right.
try to do your regular health checkups
Once in a year?
once in 6
Okay.
months or once in year.
Yeah.
Then 40 years plus, we have, let's say 30 to 35, you can just go with the comprehensive health checkups which includes kidney, liver, lipid, cardiac, and you know, complete blood count and urine analysis
So
and thyroid.
comprehensive
And
health checkup once you are 35,
almost 35 plus.
you start with a regular comprehensive
health checkup.
checkup.
Then once you cross around 40s, you know, just women be towards their menopausal process, there will be like hormonal changes,
Right.
which we will not be aware of. We'll be getting a lot of symptoms, which really know, I'm fine, what is wrong? Like that's a question where, you know,
Yes.
when you cross 40, 45, 50, that time it is very important to understand the hormonal process in your body. It is very, very important to know about your thyroid.
Okay.
In a younger age itself, thyroid is a hormone. There will be a variation. Before it was just a hereditary. Now it is stress related.
Okay.
If you are not okay with your you know, food habits or exercise, you're just living your lifestyle the way you want without a proper, you know, regular, you know,
Discipline.
lifestyle, discipline. Obviously you will undergo with a lot of stress, then it will indirectly affect your thyroid, then it will again affect your vitamins, vitamin B, B12 or D3, those deficiencies you can see. So overall it is very, very important to be active after 40, to know what is deficient, what is imbalanced in our body. This awareness we have to bring in our family. If I am there, I have to say my sister, I have to teach my daughters.
Okay.
Tomorrow when they grow up, they should be healthy and happy.
Correct.
At the end, happiness is
Yes,
Harsha.
absolutely. So Harsha Diagnostic is here for you with a caring hand to take care of all your family members. Come to Harsha Diagnostic Center and get your health checkup done. We have Dr. Priyadarshini who is here with us today, and as you can see, she's absolutely fit and healthy and a role model. Absolutely. How do you keep yourself fit in this, you know,
Yeah.
time where there is no time, everybody is busy? How do you get time?
Yeah, see, if you have to make time for
That's right.
to keep yourself fit.
Right.
The first thing is, the moment you think that I am important, I love myself, the somehow the other way you will try to keep that 1 hour for you.
Yes.
So I try doing it. I'm not
Okay.
saying every day I do it. I'm not
Okay.
consistently doing it, but I always have it in my mind, I have to do it.
Right.
Wherever possible, I give my 1 hour of for the exercise, yoga,
Physical
gym, yeah,
exercise.
physical walk or anything. It is always important when you have some hobbies, try to enjoy, you know, do that, you know, try to read the books. If you are good in dance or music, try to, you know, learn it from, see, age is, there is no limit for the, you know, we
Right.
will be just growing younger.
Yeah.
You should not think I'm growing older. So
Reverse.
always learning is throughout. So better, you know, after 40s also you can go to gurus and learn your sangeet or music,
Sangeet.
dance, you know, whatever it is. But keep yourself happy, be positive,
Okay.
which is very, very important to, you know,
Absolutely.
lead a very good life, stress-free life. Though it is stress-free, stress-related things you are doing every day, but never consider it is a stress. But optimism is very important. Though there is ups and downs are happening in your life, be always focused. be good from your heart
Right.
than just artificial, because I strongly believe whatever you do a good deeds, the universe will always give the best result to you. So I'll be
that's-
focused and happy. That's it.
The reason behind the success of Harsha Diagnostic is this wonderful lady, Dr. Priyadarshini, who is not only inspiring us, especially I am totally impressed and inspired by Dr. Priyadarshini, and giving importance to your health, your wellness, your spiritual health. The way she spoke about the universe giving back to you what you give to the society is a spiritual thought, and I'm sure books are nourishing those divine thoughts in her, and which is she's expressing it through her voice. And I also heard that you learned the veena, and as you can see, she is an embodiment of goddess Saraswati with knowledge, which is she has educated herself up to being a doctor, a medical doctor, and also she is into music, which is the traits, the qualities of goddess Saraswati, and she is so beautiful, which is again one of the qualities of goddess Saraswati. So, how did the veena interest in the veena come?
When I was, in my teenage, I happened to learn veena because there was one teacher who was teaching me.
Okay.
But unfortunately, she has to travel to Mysore.
Uh-huh.
I studied in Kundapur. She has to travel to Mysore. My that education, veena learning process stopped in between.
Okay.
I had after she left, I really felt very bad because nowhere there nobody was teaching veena, because you have very rare people teaching veena. You have all the modernized instruments, but veena is something you know how beautiful the instrument itself is. So gradually, then once I came to Mangalore, and after 40s, I happened to know there is one teacher. I again started learning. I learned again for 8 months. Again, it got disconnected.
Okay.
But I have a veena at my home. I
Okay.
worship it, which I practice. Whatever I learned, the basic I practice. Definitely wanted to learn further before I
I'm
wanted
sure.
to learn complete veena.
When
That
the
is my
student
wish.
is ready, the guru appears.
Oh, yeah, that
I'm
is
sure
what-
the guru is going to appear soon, and your hobby of the veena is going to be fulfilled.
Thank you. Thank
Speaking to you has been a beautiful journey into a wonderful soul. That is Dr. Priyadarshini. She embodies strength, beauty, education, and wisdom. So we are so blessed to have you here, Dr. Priyadarshini, and we love the conversation with you, and we wish you all the success, and may you be the shining light to many lives who want to reach out to you for good health and good happiness.
Yes, thank you. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much for having me here. It was a wonderful meeting you, talking to you.
Yes,
It's a
Dr.
wonderful
Priyadarshini.
thing.
It was
Thank you so
wonderful
much.
having you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shet Jewelers and Diamond House. Beyond limits. Women redefining success.